Hello everyone. Today I will introduce to you the production process of Rivmate Rivet nuts. The production of Rivet nuts can be roughly divided into several steps. Get raw material into storage, cold heading, heat treatment, tapping, cleaning and plating. Here is our warehouse of raw material. Each batch of raw material needs been passed the test before getting to the warehouse, and will have the registration in the ERP Enterprise Resource Planning System, and follow the principle of first in first out during the future use. Now you can see our cold heading area. We use 7 molds and 7 machines for production. There are 20 machines in total, which can produce rivet nuts made of carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminium and copper, with the type of round and hexagonal. As you can see on each machine, there are process cards and work instructions for the corresponding products, and we have inspectors to check the size and appearance of the rivet nuts once every 2 hours. Here is our heat treatment area. With investment of 300 million yuan, there are 3 production lines, which can quenching, tempering, hardening and tempering and so on. Compared with outsourcing, we can control the time and temperature better. After the heat treatment is taping, this is our tapping operation area, with a total of 30 machines, which can produce metric such as M6, and imperial such as the 1st of April 20, we can produce both of them, and the threads will be tested with a go no-go fixed gauges every 2 hours. After plating, we will test the final product. This is the tensile machine, which can test the axial proof load, head bonding force, shearing strength. This is our workbench and torque spanner, which can test the broken torque and torque to turn. Ultimately, we will optically select the rivet nut products used in the automotive industry to screen out the products with defective appearance, size, and threads, and the pass rate will over 50 ppm.